Okay, let me close the door here. So we have this walk-in shower that we are deleting, ripping it out, capping off the valve. We're going to install drywall, corner bead, texture match. This is going to be storage. We're going to rip the floor out, rip this big, large, ugly vanity out, install a much smaller vanity, relocate the toilet over about 6 inches so that we can build out our shower to about 36 inches in width. Delete this tub, tile to the ceiling, new LED lights are going to go up, new vent fan's going to be installed, paint the whole shebang. We're going to relocate shower drain to center, and we're going to move over toilet drain about 16 inches to the right. Very large Makita breaker. We're going to break down this concrete, relocate the drains, backfill it with concrete, and then focus on our mixing valve, which will be relocated to this wall here. So a lot of rough plumbing today, a lot of work. Let's get to it. All right, slab demo and removal is done. Not as bad as we thought it was going to be. Took us about an hour and a half. $80 rental, Makita right here. Relocating again. Toilet, flange and drain to here. And then of course, your shower drain to center. We're going to have a full-size bench here, so that needs to relocate. Outs are installed, relocated, fresh water for the vanity relocated, fresh water for the toilet, the drain as well. The patch is still curing, relocated up and over our mixing valve, raise the shower head. We installed the vent fan as I just showed you. We've installed 3 5-inch cans, 1, 2, 3.
A few moments later. Okay guys, the bathroom is complete. It looks absolutely amazing. Our client is so happy that we're gonna remodel their upstairs master bathroom. Complete foot change. We're excited about that. That will happen in January. Let's show you the final product. Okay, we'll start with the new pre-hung door. All new paint, all new electric, new switches, 12 by 12 porcelain floor at a straight pattern. Beautiful cabinet here. We like it a lot. Soft close, drawers and doors. Nice little top here. Brushed nickel faucet, mirror, Toto toilet. This is where the shower used to be. Now it's a linen closet. relocated the shower over here. Installed some shelving, new drywall, texture, and paint, and installed new bifold doors. Good area for your space to store items like towels, toilet paper. Let's take a look at this beautiful shower. Very large bench, 10 by 30 wavy ceramic tile at a 50% offset. Looks fantastic. Everything is square and plumb. Trimmed it out with a Schluter Jolly brush nickel valve and trim kit. Raised the shower head. Relocated the valve from this wall way over here. This used to be a bathtub. Again, very large bench. 1 inch thick quartz top for the bench, as well as this curb here. Nice 12-inch by 28-inch niche, trimmed out with Schluter Jolly. Same with the window. Take a look at this River Rock cut flat shower pan. Tileable drain, everything's been tested. The shower is ready to go after our guys install a nice frameless glass enclosure. Well, that's it, ladies and gents. Let us know what you think about this build in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next one.